So the first thing that came in the mail was this beanie, and I was like, why did I get this beanie? It says crispy. It's kind of odd. And then I realized, oh, it's from Meati, and it must be part of their subscription service to send out a beanie. I don't know if they're going to send out more things. Is this going to be just a welcome thing? I don't know, but it was kind of cool. It's a recycled polyester blend, which is nice. And yeah, so I've already used it. It's been welcome. So we got the box from Meati in our first shipment. Curious to see what was in it. We ordered the subscription. One reason, well, because we were curious, but also because we can't get Meati very easily around here. But we found that I think you can get at least 2 of the things now, the different steaks, at Whole Foods. But we were just curious to see what was in the shipment. And yeah, so I was kind of surprised to see one of the cards hanging out when it was delivered. One of the cards is just hanging out, and I didn't know if we had lost more cards, but in looking at the packing list that came with it, I think we have everything here. You can see that we have the classic steaks and the carne asada steaks, which we'll probably do a review of. And then we have the cutlets, which is a product I have not seen before. It'll be interesting to try. And then the jerky, which I also have not seen before. Right now, we wanted to focus on the unboxing and show you what you get when you do a monthly subscription. Be curious to see what we get next month. Yeah, so talk to you later. And remember, please subscribe and like these videos. Helps the algorithm. And yeah, so we'll be doing much more in the future. Thanks. Bye.